Welcome to Ms. Huong English class.
Grade 5. Global Success. Unit 4. Our free time activities. Topic. Free time activities. Play the violin. Play the violin. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Water the flowers. Water the flowers. Read stories. Read stories. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Watch TV. Watch TV. Listen to music. Listen to music. Go roller skating. Go roller skating.
Hello Susu. Hello Tran. What do you like doing in your free time? I like watching cartoons. What do you do at the weekend? I often ride my bike.
Review.
Play the violin. Surf the internet. Go for a walk. Water the flowers. Read stories. Ride a bike. Watch TV. Listen to music. Go roller skating.
Hello. What do you like doing in your free time? What do you do at the weekend?
Keep practicing these words at home. See you next time.